We're seeing county leaders all across the state moving forward toward asking the governor for to start up these conversations about reopening. We know today Glenn County Supervisors considered asking the governor to do just that. Now, Action News Now's Brandon Benitez is live in Glenn County. Brandon, how does the community feel about possibly getting back up and running?
That's right, Haley. I got a chance to speak with a couple people passing by downtown Willows, which is where I'm at right now, and they seem to be on board with getting to at least start that dialogue in getting non-essential businesses back to reopen. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that businesses will be opening right now. The meeting between the Board of Supervisors finished a little over an hour ago. Now, the motion passed 4-1 in support of sending the governor a letter signed by the board chair, Lee McDaniel. Now, board supervisors, along with Glenn County Sheriff Richard Warren, were adamant in clarifying this letter asks the governor to consider placing the reopening plans in the hands of local government. They basically said that nobody knows exactly how to reopen better than local leaders in our area, of course. Now, this letter will be passed along 5 other Northern California counties. Butte, Sutter, Yuba, Colusa, and Tehama counties are the others. Now, we're waiting on confirmation of who also approves of this letter, but supervisors and Glenn County community members want to see businesses that close down to reopen. Now, there's still a few contingencies and concerns there. Now, consumers want to see how businesses would adjust to public health recommendations. Now, one concern is that if non-essential businesses reopen too soon, an increase in potential exposure comes into play there. Glenn County is especially at risk because of the Interstate 5 freeway, where, thousands of people travel and could continue that spread. Now, other concerns, of course, involve what happens when businesses reopen and then cases also increase. Having to force businesses to open and close constantly can be a little bit of a headache to deal with, especially in terms of protocols and making sure that the reopening plan is not as counterintuitive, of course. But live in Willows, I'm Brandon Benitez, Action News Now coverage you can count on.
The county CAO told Action News Now he is expecting a 20 to 30% drop in sales tax revenue for this quarter.